Whether you manage a multi-unit restaurant chain, club, marina, golf course, or independent hotel, you need to join our club, CLUB360 by Core Insights Group. The CLUB360 program delivers savings on all the supplies and services you use daily, on your food and beverage invoice, office supplies, and every area of facility maintenance. We take a 360-degree approach to helping you save money on everything you need to create a great guest experience. The best part, with CLUB360, you won't have to wait months for rebate checks, and there are no membership fees. Your costs are lowered right away, and you'll see an immediate benefit to your bottom line. If you want to save money while improving the guest experience at your multi-unit restaurant chain, club, marina, golf course, or independent hotel, join CLUB360 today.